Hello everyone, and in this lecture we will see the how to calculate or find out the Fourier transform of double-sided exponential signal or function that is given by e to the power minus a mod of t. So what it is given is x of t is equal to e to the power minus a mod of t. So we can separate it into two values for t less than equal to 0. Less than equal to 0 means it is having negative values. So here it will become e to the power minus a minus t. So here it is e to the power at, and here it is e to the power a of t, which is equal to e to the power minus at for t greater than equal to 0. So we have separated this exponential function into two form for two different time values. So now we know the Fourier transform equation, that is equal to f of omega or f of j omega is equal to what? Integration minus infinity to infinity, whatever the x of t value is given, we have to write down here, into e to the power minus j omega t. This is nothing but our Fourier transform operator. Into dt. This operator converts my x of t, which is a time domain signal, to frequency domain signal. So that's why we multiply it with this operator. So how it will be? Now we can separate this limits from minus infinity to 0. So this means this is on this side of my graph, that is the negative part of t. So we can write it, the x of t has the value for minus infinity to 0, that is e to the power at into e to the power minus j omega t into dt plus integration 0 to infinity. Here we can write x of t value as e to the power minus at, that this thing we have calculated here, into e to the power minus j omega t into dt. Now we can bring our t value common, that is equal to a minus j omega into t dt plus 0 to infinity e to the power minus taken common a plus j omega into t dt. So now solving the integration, what we will get? E to the power a minus j omega t upon whatever the constant values, we have to write it here, and here it will be plus e to the power minus the limits here is minus infinity to 0, and here it will be like this, upon we have a plus minus a plus j omega from 0 to infinity. So now substituting the limit, when we substitute 0 here in the value of t, this will become 1 upon the constant term as it is. Then minus, we have to put the lower limit, that is minus infinity, in the value of t. So this will become e to the power minus infinity, that is equal to 0, plus we have, when we substitute upper limit, that is infinity, in place of t, it becomes minus infinity. So e to the power minus infinity is 0. Then minus of minus, will here already a minus was here, so it will become plus. When we substitute 0, that is the lower limit, it will become 1 upon a plus j omega. So these two terms are only remaining. Now we can bring it together like this. Now by the LCM method, when we solve this, what we will get is 2a by a squared plus omega squared. So this is our Fourier transform of double-sided exponential function. So in this video we have seen how we have calculated the double-sided exponential, and likewise we can solve for other functions and find out the Fourier transform of other standard signals. So I end my video here. I hope you have enjoyed and understood the concept well, and thank you.